Hello everyone, this is Adam Meister, the BitcoinMeister, the DisruptMeister. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Check out the notes section below for some important links and information. And of course, remember that I post a new video here every day. So keep on checking out this page. So all cryptocurrencies seem to have gone down today, the big ones at least. There was no rate hike by Chairwoman Yellen in the Federal Reserve. So perhaps that brought down the price of Bitcoin below $600 and affected the other cryptocurrencies also. The no rate hike, though, was obvious. I mean, I knew there wasn't going to be a rate hike, and Peter Schiff knew there wasn't going to be a rate hike. Schiff was right yet again. He's not always right, but he was right about this. Anyway, I don't know. Why did this happen? Why did the price go down? I'm not sure, but it might have to do with the people pricing in that was going to be a rate hike and then there wasn't. I don't know. I want to link to a post, a Steemit post, a pro Steemit post by a guy named Gabriel, who I have linked to before, who I actually was on his show before. He's a great guy. He's got a great future in the cryptocurrency space. His little video and Steemit post, I mean, it's basically about there's a bright side to the price of Steem dropping. He goes into it. Why not give another side of the story so you guys can see it? I don't agree with what he had to say, but he's a good guy, so you can check out his post. But his video also reminded me, he spoke about how anyone can now trade cryptos or buy cryptos, even like kids can buy cryptocurrency. And you know, when we were younger, we all wanted to buy stocks, but of course we were under 18 years old. We couldn't buy stocks. It was something we'd look in the newspaper about or look on the internet about, the price of stocks going up. And I remember specifically as a as a middle schooler, I was telling my friends, I want to buy stock in Playboy. I want to buy stock in Playboy. You know, you think Playboy's really cool. But I couldn't. But now today, and just what an amazing world we live in. A kid can somehow, I mean, literally a 15-year-old kid, if he can somehow earn Bitcoin by maybe doing something online for someone and getting them to send him Bitcoin, then he can go to the BTC-e exchange, which is in Eastern Europe, which has no regulations whatsoever, which is great, and he can plop his Bitcoin down on that exchange and start buying altcoins and start trading Bitcoin for altcoins and flipping and doing all these things that I don't recommend that you do, but it just shows you what a world we live in and how easy it is for young people, really young people, under 18-year-olds from all over this planet to become altcoin traders. And that just shows you how dangerous altcoin trading is, because you have like completely unknowledgeable 15-year-olds literally trading altcoins. I mean, you want to get into this thing where you're trading peer coin and everything with 18-year-olds from the Ukraine? I mean, hey, if that sounds tempting to you, like a market that is sustainable, then, you know, take your own risk. That is not something that I recommend or make shows about. It's all a speculation. If it's even good, what I just mentioned is all gambling. Okay, so the price is under $600, as I said, for Bitcoin. But again, going back to the BTC-e exchange, the price usually of Bitcoin is lower than all the other exchanges. Recently, it has been higher than all the other exchanges. It's been sticking, it was above 600, I think, the last time I checked, or close to that. Why is this going on? Do any of you know why suddenly BTC-e went from having the lowest Bitcoin prices to having the highest Bitcoin prices? I do know that they've implemented a system where if you sign in to an account, you have to fill out a CAPTCHA now, and previously you did not have to do that. Did that get rid of some bots? I mean, I'm not a technical wizard here, so I'm just trying to think, what is the logical reason why and people have asked me about this, why BTC-e, why the price is high there now instead of why the price is low. Something else in the news, Gemini announced, that's the Winklevoss exchange, They announced they're having Bitcoin auctions now. I will link to a Bloomberg article. They got into the mainstream media, of course, because they're the Winklevosses. They know how to do that. Bloomberg article that talks about what these Bitcoin auctions that they're having. I don't fully understand what that is. Apparently, that's something that happens in financial markets, mainstream financial markets a lot. I thought maybe this is like a gimmick to get more interest. That they're not, because it's not that big of an exchange compared to these other not unregulated exchanges. I mean, is it something that they're trying to make themselves seem more legit, seem more mainstream, to get more of a mainstream audience in there? Is this a natural evolution for a regulated exchange to now go on to Bitcoin auctions? I don't know. You decide. Those are theories out there, but it is interesting that they're doing this. So, and I will link to that article. I'm Adam Meister. I will talk to you later.